Yeah,
Georgios.
we have to serve all sorts of disciplines. Geologists.
Georgios is the.
Yeah, the divers.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
It's a very rocky area.
Excellent for lobsters.
Yes.
I'm sure if you close this area for 1-2 years and you have a lot of lobsters here.
Yes.
Excellent area.
Yes. It's a. And also another advantage is it's a very clear area. It's not just a line of rocks.
Mm-hmm.